Facebook a lot violence and spreading hates against Rohingya. They definitely contributed to our suffering. My name is Maung. I'm a Rohingya from Myanmar, but now I'm living here in the refugee camp in Bangladesh. I had left my country since 2017 because of discriminations and the violence we have suffered there in Myanmar, in our country. The Rakhine politician used Facebook as a tool to spread hate speeches, to spread misinformation against Rohingya. I personally reported many content, but they never removed those content. Those posts have lots of like and lots of interactions of the people. I believe Facebook was earning lots of money through those posts. Like a post on Facebook was saying Rohingya people are not from our country, they are from Bangladesh, so they came here and occupied this land. So let's get hand in hand to drive out Rohingya people. Hates against Rohingya changed to offline. When my Rakhine friends started seeing those kind of hate speeches and misinformation on Facebook every day, then their mind has changed and their reaction against us is started on our physical life. People came to realize that we can no longer live in our villages. We definitely had left the country like that. We are asking Mark Zuckerberg come here in Bangladesh to see us and now help us to rebuild our life.